Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you're looking for a beautiful pair of mules, I highly recommend these from Meknitva. I have been loving these mules. They are so comfortable. A perfect color. They're nude, so they go with so many of my outfits, whether you're wearing shorts, a dress, pants. They have a buckle design and it is functional. I have it on the smallest setting. I go between a 7 and an 8 size shoe, and these fit me really good. They're a size 8. I would say size up if you are in between sizes, and the front is really comfortable, plenty of room, not too narrow. So if you're looking for a great shoe that you can travel with, maybe wear to work, it's a great alternative to a flip-flop, but yet really comfortable and easy to put on. I also love that these are high quality with a little bit of a heel, perfect for every day or a special occasion. And that is my point of view.